take a look, but my guess is under all this is this, like, we've got the wide plank and it's probably very similar in here.
They are walking.
Yeah, I think I would say you're probably right, Kim. Like,
So we've got
Straight subfloor or?
no, it's
the sub, and then there's like a really thick, I think we've got wider plank under here. But there's a thin layer of like chip
Over?
kind of, yeah, like a chip.
I'm here to tell you that the kitchen is sanded. It only took 4 hours, so that means the rest of the house is gonna take a while, but I'm gonna get it done. I have 2 days. When this thing fills up, you gotta empty it out. Unfortunately, when this happens, it starts to leave big like burn streaks across the floor, so you have to change the paper. This piece of sandpaper here costs $26. So just real talk for a second. The sanding machine costs $70. The sandpaper costs $300. So just know that before you sand. Still worth it because these floors are absolutely beautiful and this job makes my heart happy. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of sanding and it's just looking so good in here. You can tell the kitchen is mostly done. I am pretty happy about this floor, specifically this little joint right here where we added the pieces of wood. It's just looking really, really, really bright. And if you look over here in the front room, I managed to get quite a bit done there last night. So I'm gonna keep going now and just get it done today with the first pass of the 24 grit sandpaper on the drum sander. So it's not really going great with the sander. I got a lot done, as you can see, but this last room has quite a few layers of this brown paint and it's really sticky and it just immediately gums up the sandpaper so that it looks like this. And then it just like melts this disgusting stuff onto the floor, which is then really hard to sand off and gets gummed up in the sander again. I have decided I'm gonna try stripper, which is something you use on smaller projects, not whole floors, but I only have this small section left. And if that means I can get the top layer of paint off and then just get the second layer of paint or whatever is under that with the sandpaper, then I think that will save me in the end. So that's what I'm gonna try. So I'm testing a couple areas here with the stripper, some harder to reach areas. This is where I've sanded so far. Looks nothing like over there because this floor has definitely got some different paint on it. So here's my test area. That's where I'm going to try to lift off some of that paint with stripper. All right, so I'm just gonna try to see here. Oh yeah. You can see that it's eating off that top layer of paint. It's starting to bubble. I don't know if you can tell. All right, now I just have to figure out what I'm gonna wipe this off with. It's stinky, it's toxic. Stripping with chemical stripper on a floor is a nightmare. And while sanding can feel like a nightmare, it's not as bad as trying to strip it with a chemical. I know this because I did it. And as you can see, it was a big mess that I didn't really show the cleanup. That would have been the giveaway. But basically I had to throw away everything that I used to clean it up because it was like toxic sludge. Hard to clean up. All right, so these are my last few hours with the drum sander. I have to return it soon, and I'm hoping to get almost all the paint off the floors, just as much paint as I can get. So I'm just gonna keep sanding as I've been doing until it's finished, which is a labor of love because although it is a huge amount of work, it is also something that completely changes this house. It's so bright, it's so fresh, it is such a major improvement to see the floor in its original wooden glory. It's unbelievable. I just can't get over it. I was sitting on the couch last night, just like with a mug of soup, admiring this beautiful space and how much the floors just take it to another level. Another one bites the dust. People, get ready, cause it's done! Phase 1 of sanding is complete. So I have done the entire floor and gotten off all the paint with the 36 grit, 24 grit sandpaper. And I am absolutely thrilled. So it's not perfect at this point. The next few sanding sessions will, you know, I'll do the edges and that'll be a big difference. And then like, you know, all this detailed work. But oh my goodness, this changes everything. And the space just looks so much bigger now. You guys, I'm so excited! Oh, it is the most satisfying. And I'm also glad that phase is over. Woo! Drum sanders, am I right?